Hey guys, welcome to the channel. You're watching 1919 Graham Central. We're starting off with Mike's video that he sent me, his thoughts on President Trump and getting shot at, his thoughts on what's going on in our country right now. I want to finish my sheetrock wall and I want it to look nice, and that's how I want to end my video. So I'm gonna keep going till it's done. And then I'm going to move on to my next project. I'm feeling powerful, working, planning things out. Miss my sweetheart so much. I can't wait till he gets back. Also, I want to bring to your attention, do you remember my nature walk that I went on? I got chiggers so bad. I am itching so bad. It's driving me crazy everywhere. My legs, my back, my arms, my ankles. I'm just a mess. Don't take a walk in nature in Oklahoma in the summer. You will pay for it. You will pay for it. All right, folks. Enjoy the video.
I woke up this morning and I've been thinking about Donald Trump and what happened to him when there was that assassination attempt on him. I watched him last night at the Republican Party convention. And he looked almost tearful. I think it's what happened to him changed him. I wonder if it's because he realized that they could get to him even though he was protected. Well, he wasn't protected. There was a lapse in security. They're saying, oh, it was an accident. Oh, we messed up. No. That was a total setup. The kid that they eventually killed, he was a patsy. It's always the same scenario, that it's a lone crazy gunman, and somehow he got, he got close enough. The thing was he had the perfect shot. He had the perfect shot from his vantage point. People knew he was there for almost 30 minutes, and they're trying to tell everybody, and they were being ignored. And then eventually, when he was allowed to take those shots, then they killed him, so he couldn't speak. Shot him right through the mouth. But that's what the little jerk deserved. It's a shame that our deep state is so afraid of this man. And all he is a businessman. All he is he wants this country to do good. He wants to allow our businesses to do well. He wants us to be each individual. He wants us to be richer, happier, and the deep state doesn't want to let go of the power that they have. It's scary that you have people in this world that want to be in control of everyone else. That's absolutely insane that we can't all just live in peace, go about our lives, raise our children, go to work, and be left alone by our government, by the people, these powerful people around the world. They feel like it's their destiny to rule over us. And it's nobody's destiny. The only person that gets to rule over us is our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. But yet these people want to decide how we dress, what we eat, where we live, who we vote for, where we bank, how we spend our money. That we can't just be left alone and left to most people just want to live a simple life. Don't want to be bothered with things. But yet you've got those, I guarantee it, they're red personalities. Because they think they have the answers and they know how to make us all live perfect and stop the wars. Thing is, they're behind the wars. They are behind every war that we've had in the last 100 years. Because things didn't go the way they wanted them to. They wanted control. That's what the United Nations is all about. It's about control. They want to tell us, who we can do business with, who we can't. They want to make sure that we're disarmed so that we can't fight back. They don't want us to fight back because most of these people are very rich, but they're cowards. They're absolute cowards. They have to have other people do their dirty work. I know a little bit about history, and when a people went to war, their king went with them. Their rulers went with them and fought in those battles. And they were close up. They were face to face. Now we can just push a button and a little drone will drop a bomb and kill people. And that's the way they like to do war, which is really a shame. But Donald Trump is a good man. He was a bit arrogant, but I didn't see an arrogant man yesterday. I saw a man that had at one point had great fear and had realized he was not immortal. That they could get to him if they really wanted to. And they may try again. And we'll never get to the bottom of how this happened. We'll get some report that's a total whitewash and a sham, because it'd be in everybody's interest in politics to keep the truth from coming out to you and I. We need to vote for this man. If he's still running, I don't know. Maybe he's so afraid that he'll stop. I don't know. Maybe he broke him. I could tell. He looked like he was a broken man. He had this distant stare. But if he decides to get, to stay in the race, I will vote for this man no matter what. I would go to war for this man. And of course, I'm an old fart. But I love this country, and I will fight for it. And I will fight for my children and my grandchildren. The people that did this are absolutely demonic. And that they're willing to destroy another individual so they can keep their power is absolutely insane. We need to get them out. We need to clean all these agencies out of all of these deep state bureaucrats and start again. We have an absolute mess in our country. They want to destroy us. They want to bring communism into this country. They think it's the only way to go. They think, oh, if we do it one more time, have the right people, it's going to work. It never works. It's never worked throughout history. It's been tried for thousands of years. It's been tried, and it never works. It always destroys the people and the society that try it. We have to stand up and resist this nonsense and kick every last one of them out. And every congressman or senator that does not want to, help us clean this mess up, let's kick them out too. We should be having tribunals for the treachery and the treason that these animals, these satanic son of a guns, have been doing to us. We need to get them out and then have trials and put them all to death. That's what most of them deserve. They are traitors and have committed treason on this country. Well, I'll quit preaching for now. But we need to support that man. We need to pray for Donald Trump. Pray that he will stay in the race and pray that he will gird up his loins and stand for freedom and stand for the people of this country. And all other countries can go to hell. America first. America first. If we can't get it done with the vote, we'll have to do it another way. Don't be afraid to stand and vote for a good man. A good man that they tried to kill. Well, that's about it.
Instead of trying to just do a bunch of little sections and try to piece this in, I think I'm going to find something else to do. Maybe I'll go grab the table saw out of the C-cam and rip a board to put in there. Okay, this is gonna take me a while. I'm just gonna do this. Aww. Look at my little flowers. We were out here working on this house. It was in the winter time. And this tree was ginormous and it took up this whole corner here. And I let my dad dig it out with his backhoe, not knowing what type of tree it was. Anyways, I'm glad it survived. Should I drag the nail gun out? I'm thinking about just doing these screws. Now, if Michael was here, we'd be getting the nail gun out. Back up in there. Have a oh my gosh, it's stripping. That sucked. Having to drag that all the way out here by myself. All right. This is what my husband always does. He puts some oil in here. Woo. Okay. I did it. Those things scare me so bad. It's like opening up a can of biscuits. Okay. Okay, now I gotta get that screw off of there. I guess I'll just get the little cutty thingy. All right. Okay. So now you gotta push in really hard, and then that slides. Okay, that feels good. Maybe I better get some eye stuff, some eyeglasses. Okay, here we go. Not even budging. Not even budging. All right. I'll do what my husband would do. I'm not sure what to do. Nope. Oh, I think I broke it. Score! Ha ha! Mike's way was the best way. Okay. All right. There's that. It's in. Okay. There's a couple of things that I need to, while I have all these tools out, there's a couple things I need to do, so I want to just show you. I don't know if you've ever seen a house like this, but they brought this old house in, set the floors on foundations, and then they built the walls around it. So all of the walls go through the floor and are on foundations down underneath. Now, when we put the subfloor in here, hang on a second, I don't want to make you dizzy. Hang tight. Now, when we put the subfloor in here, it's going to go across here. But I want something there to help support it, because you can see we had to put that 2x4 in when we busted this opening. This opening right here, let me just show you. Close your eyes for a second. I don't want to make you dizzy. This opening used to be one little door, and it went into a bedroom. And that wasn't good enough for me. I wanted a dining room. I wanted a place where we could have family time, and I wanted it open. So we busted out this wall and reconfigured it, and it's gonna be beautiful. I know it is. We just got to get her done. That didn't stay up. See how it bounced? Let me grab another one here. This one right here is the one that really needs it. Oh, I need knee pads. Let me grab one that's straight. There we go. What's wrong? Okay, let's try that. I don't really know that much about this gun. Send one through. All right, last one. This one's got a 2x4 or something in front of it. Blocking it. So, doesn't look even. I wonder if the floor has settled. I'm sure it has after this many years, right? I'm gonna get this one that's straight. All right. It just needs something to sit on, right? Always scares the crap out of me. I am woman, hear me roar. Woo! Okay. I know I'm being silly. It's pretty powerful, these little tools. They're powerful. Power! Girl power. This is the other thing, if I got the nail gun out. See that? If I just put insulation in there and then a wall, mice can come right up the wall. I mean, they're probably going to anyway. I'd have to cut that out to get some blocking up in there. Well, maybe not. Maybe I might be able to slide it down that little crack and then, but this is gross. And I want to fix it so that they can't just come up my wall. I hope you enjoyed the video this week. Next week, we're taking a road trip. My mother and my sister have something planned. They're dragging me off into the Tules. I don't know where we're going, but it should be fun. So stay tuned for that. And then the following week, we're getting back on that sheetrock wall. We're gonna get it done. All right, love you guys. Subscribe, please subscribe. Can you please pass this on to your friends? Share on your social media. That's the best way people can see us. Like my channel, please. I'm having so much fun. I hope you're having fun too. Thanks, guys. See ya.